Rolling a stock Gladiator onto rocky trails is asking for bumper carnage. Factory plastic just cannot hang when you are nosing into ledges, dragging through mud, or yanking buddies with a winch. A stout aftermarket bumper gives you steel armor, recovery points, lighting, and a winch mount in one slick package. I dug through specs, owner reviews, and trail footage to find the front bumpers that actually hold up. We are starting at pick 5 and counting down, so peep the links in the description and snag the one that fits your style and budget. Warn's Elite Series is trail royalty. Built in the United States of America with a welded grill guard tube and a beefy integrated winch cradle tested for serious pull duty. Approach angle geometry lets you stuff 37-inch tires with only a 2-inch lift, and integrated jack points save you time when a tire change goes sideways. The zirconium nano pre-treated powder coat laughed off 408 hours of salt spray torture, so beach rigs and salted roads are covered. Precision shackles and low-profile lines keep it looking clean while ready for hardcore recoveries. Vijay's mid-price bumper brings heavyweight protection without emptying your wallet. 9 64-inch plate steel for the shell and 3 16-inch for the winch tray give it legit trail strength while keeping weight around 66 pounds. Owners rave about the tight one-piece fit that follows factory lines and the 12,000-pound winch capacity. A textured black powder coat holds up to winter brine, and the direct bolt-on design means no cutting or drilling, just wrench and go. If you want solid steel armor and a clean look, Vijay makes a strong case. Hooke Road's mid-width bumper mixes brute force with handy extras. 11-gauge sheet and nearly 2-inch tubing handle hits, while the built-in 10 by 4 1/2-inch winch plate supports 12,000-pound units. 4 integrated LEDs, 2 25-watt cubes and 2 18-watt horizontals light up night trails, and Hooke even tosses in 9,500-pound shackles with blue isolators to stop rattle. Users report the powder coat staying chip-free after months of rock chips. Installation reuses factory mounts, so a couple buddies and a socket set is all you need. OEDRO's Gladiator-themed bumper adds style points with red detachable armor panels you can repaint to match your rig. High-strength carbon steel and an electrophoretic powder coat fight rust year-round, and a center LED bar plus dual side spots blast out trail light. 2 red D-rings with isolators work with the included winch tray for quick pulls when you bury a tire. Reviewers love the factory contour fit and true no-drill install that finishes in an afternoon. If personalization and lighting matter, OEDRO nails it. Tyger Auto's Fury bumper tops our list by blending 5mm carbon steel toughness with factory fog light compatibility and a winch plate right out of the box. Welded D-ring mounts handle big-time recoveries, and the black textured powder coat shrugs off scrapes. Real-world users highlight the crystal-clear installation instructions and perfect bolt-up on 2020 through 2025 Gladiators. Tyger backs the whole deal with a 5-year warranty for United States customers. For daily driver looks and weekend warrior muscle, the Fury is hard to beat. Any of these bumpers will toughen up your Gladiator, but match the steel thickness, lighting, and winch capacity to how hard you wheel. Tap the links in the description for today's prices, and if this rundown saved you some research time, smash that subscribe button for more real-world Jeep gear reviews. Stay safe, keep the shiny side up, and I will catch you on the next trail.